If you have an Android phone in 2025, I promise you're not using it to its full potential. Today, I'm showing you 6 Android hacks that actually work and can make your phone faster, smarter, and more secure. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with tip number 1. Is your phone slow? Apply this setting to boost its speed. For the first time, if you haven't enabled developer settings in your phone, go to Settings. Search Build Number. When you find it, tap on it 7 times to unlock developer options. You will see a message, "You're now a developer." If you already had developer options enabled, you can skip this step. Now go back to Settings. Search Developer Options. We're going to change 3 settings here. First, scroll to Window Animation Scale. Tap on it and set the speed to 0.5x. Just below it is the Transition Animation Scale. Set its speed also to 0.5x. Now the Animator Duration Scale, set it to 0.5x as well. Boom, your phone feels way faster instantly. Tip number 2. Want to hide private photos or videos from people without installing any app? Here's a better trick. Open your file manager. Create a new folder and give it any name you like, for example, Private Media. Inside that folder, create a subfolder named .no media. Now move any photo or video you want to hide into this subfolder. This tells Android to skip scanning the folder for media, so those photos won't show up in your gallery. To access it again, just go back into the subfolder in your file manager. Tip number 3. Is your phone internet slow? This is how to boost it. Go to Settings and search Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname and type dns.google. Click on Save to exit. You should now experience improved internet speed than before. Tip number 4. Want more privacy and also block ads from your phone? On the same private DNS hostname, type dns.adguard.com. This helps block ads and makes browsing faster and safer. Tip number 5. Want to save your battery from draining too quickly? Open Settings and search Battery Usage. Here, you'll see the apps draining your battery. Uninstall or restrict background activity for the ones you don't use often. This can easily give you an extra hour or 2 of battery daily. Tip number 6. Most phones now have a built-in QR code scanner. No need to install those shady QR apps. The camera app has it. Just open your camera, point at the code, and that's it. It's done. Or swipe down and look for scan or lens depending on your phone brand. Alright, let me know in the comments, which one of these blew your mind? Or do you have your own Android trick to share? Like this video if you learned something new, subscribe to pauTectips for more quick tech tips and tutorials, and share this with someone.